Why is love shaped like a heart when it looks nothing like a real human heart? Every February, millions of people draw the same symbol, a simple red heart. It appears on cards, chocolates, text messages, and tattoos, instantly recognized as the universal symbol of love. But here's the strange part. The symbol we call a heart looks nothing like the actual human heart inside your body. The real heart is asymmetrical, muscular, and frankly, a little odd-looking. So why did humanity choose this shape to represent love, and where did it come from? The answer is older and stranger than most people imagine. The ancient connection between hearts and emotions. Long before Valentine's Day existed, ancient civilizations were already trying to understand emotions. The ancient Greeks believed the heart was the center of feelings, passion, and thought. Unlike modern science, which places emotions in the brain, early cultures associated strong emotions with the heartbeat, because when you're scared or in love, your heart literally races. So the heart became connected to emotion. But that still doesn't explain the shape. Theory number 1, an ancient plant. For that, we have to go back to ancient art. One compelling theory traces the symbol to a plant called silphium, which grew in ancient North Africa around modern-day Libya. Silphium was incredibly valuable, used as medicine, seasoning, and surprisingly, as a form of birth control. Coins from the ancient city of Cyrene depicted seeds from this plant that look strikingly similar to the modern heart shape. Because silphium was linked to romance and sexuality, some historians believe its seed shape slowly became associated with love itself. Theory number 2, medieval imagination. Another explanation comes from medieval artists. During the Middle Ages, people rarely saw real human anatomy. Artists relied on imagination, symbolism, and religious imagery rather than scientific accuracy. When they tried to illustrate the heart as the center of emotion, they created a simplified, idealized symbol, rounded, balanced, and visually pleasing. Over time, this stylized version became more recognizable and easier to reproduce, and repetition turned it into tradition. There's also a poetic possibility. Some researchers suggest the shape might resemble parts of the human body associated with attraction, like the curve of the torso, buttocks, or even the silhouette of two swans touching beaks. Whether intentional or coincidence, humans naturally gravitate towards symmetrical shapes, and the heart symbol is simple, balanced, and instantly memorable. How it became universal. By the Renaissance, the heart symbol had fully taken hold. Playing cards adopted it, artists used it, lovers exchanged it. And once printing spread across Europe, the symbol exploded into global culture. From there, it became unstoppable. The real reason it stuck. So the heart shape isn't a medical diagram, it's a story. A blend of ancient plants, medieval imagination, symbolic art, and centuries of human emotion compressed into one simple form. We didn't choose it because it was accurate. We chose it because it felt right. And sometimes symbols survive not because they're true, but because they are meaningful. The heart symbol endures because it does what all great symbols do. It simplifies something complex, love, connection, emotion, into something everyone can recognize and share.
Make sure to like and sub, guys.